Rock and Roll Hall of Fame is a 501c3 nonprofit. Our mission is to engage, teach, and inspire through the power of rock and roll. We have 2 separate locations. Our museum and the Library and Archives manages the archival collections for the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. We have some amazing content. Everybody knows that we do the inductions. A lot of people don't know that we have a collection, we have an archive.
It's really important that we're preserving and describing those collections and making them accessible for the future of rock music and the people who love it.
When Archives opened, they set up preservation media storage using LTO tapes. Over the years, the software started to fail, the hardware started to fail. We needed access to the content as well as migrate that content to secure preservation level storage in the cloud. My partners at AWS put me in touch with Guy at Tape Ark, and I told him our problem, and he said, send me the tapes.
Doing a project like the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame is pretty much why I built the business. It's the type of content that has a lot of value, but it doesn't when it can't be used or seen. Tape Ark's unique for a variety of reasons. We have a really in-depth knowledge around tape. The second thing is the scale that we work at. Thousands of drives running in parallel, all controlled out of a centralized cloud account. As an entrepreneurial company, one of the things we needed was a global footprint. There really isn't a better partner than one that's been around for 40 years and pioneered a whole industry.
Partnership is a core pillar to Seagate's brand. We're focused on data collection, data preservation, and data activation. Tape Ark has expertise not only in tape migration, but in indexing of data for specific verticals. Put those 2 pieces together, it truly is a very powerful partnership.
Knowing that there was a partnership between Tape Ark and Seagate made the decision even easier.
The content that we were dealing with the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame was primarily video, and some of the files spanned tapes. So finding all those components and refusing them was an interesting challenge.
There were about 2,000 files we knew we needed. They also found 109 preservation level videos that I didn't know about. I'd say that's an over 100% success rate. The time saving that we're going to have using AI and machine learning on our digital archive to add automated metadata, OCR, speech to text, facial recognition. It's a game changer.
So now, if we need that photo of so-and-so riding a motorcycle in the 1970s, through machine learning, that description and those files will be right there at their fingertips.
We preserve the history of rock and roll for everybody, which is why we need a publicly accessible archive so that people can engage with us when they don't have the ability to come visit us in Cleveland. I wish we would have done this sooner because of how easy it was and how fast it was.